Hello and welcome. This is Emily.
And this is Paul.
Today, we are here to help you speak simple English.
Yes, very simple English.
Our topic today is asking questions.
Simple English for asking questions.
Many learners feel shy.
Many learners feel scared,
They want to ask something.
but they do not know how.
Maybe you are in a shop.
Maybe you were in a bus.
Maybe you are with a friend.
You want to ask a question.
But your mind stops.
Your mouth feels closed.
Your heart feels fast.
This is very normal.
We promise you something today.
Yes,
After this lesson, you will feel better.
you will feel more confident.
We will go slow.
Very slow.
We will repeat many times.
Many, many times.
You do not need perfect English.
You do not need big words
You only need simple words.
and a calm voice.
Let us start with a small problem.
A daily life problem.
Imagine this.
You are new in a city.
You are walking on the road.
You want to find a bus stop.
You see a person,
You want to ask for help.
but you do not know what to say.
You feel stuck.
This lesson is for this moment.
Yes, for this moment.
Let us begin.
Take a breath.
You are safe here. The first question word is what.
What is very common?
We use what to ask about things.
Things, ideas, or information.
Listen first.
What is this?
What is your name?
What time is it?
Very simple.
Short and clear.
Now repeat after me.
Say it slowly.
What is this?
Again.
What is this? Good.
You are doing well.
Now another one.
What is your name?
Repeat.
What is your name?
Nice.
Very nice.
When you ask what, your voice goes up at the end.
Like this.
What is your name?
Up a little.
Do not worry too much.
Just speak.
Now let us use what in daily life.
Imagine you are in a shop.
You see something new.
You do not know the name.
You can ask.
What is this?
Not this,
You point and stay silent.
but this.
You say, what is this?
Simple.
Very simple.
The next question word is where.
Where is for place.
Listen.
Where is the toilet?
Where is the bus stop?
Where are you from?
Repeat with us.
Where is the toilet?
Again.
Where is the toilet?
Good.
Very good.
Now the bus stop.
Where is the bus stop?
Repeat.
Where is the bus stop?
Nice.
You sound clear.
When you ask where, you ask for help.
People like to help.
Do not be shy. Now let us slow down.
We will practice together.
Repeat after me.
Where is?
Where is?
Where is?
Good. You can add any place.
Where is the shop?
Where is my bag?
Where is your house?
You see?
One question.
Many uses. The next word is when.
When is for time.
Listen.
When is the meeting?
When is your class?
When do we eat?
Repeat.
When is the meeting?
Again.
When is the meeting?
Good job.
You can do this.
Now, who?
Who is for people?
Listen.
Who is she?
Who is your teacher?
Who is calling?
Repeat slowly.
Who is she?
Again.
Who is she?
Nice and easy.
Keep going.
Now, why?
Why is for reason.
Listen.
Why are you here?
Why is the shop closed?
Why are you late?
Repeat.
Why are you here?
Again.
Why are you here?
Very good.
No rush.
The last word is how.
How is very useful.
Listen.
How are you?
How much is this?
How do you go there?
Repeat.
How are you?
Again.
How are you?
Great.
This is very common.
Now let us put these words into real life.
A small story.
Emily is new in town.
Emily wants to find a cafe.
Emily sees Paul.
Paul is walking.
Emily says, "Excuse me."
This is polite.
Then Emily asks.
Where is the cafe?
Paul answers.
It is there.
Emily says, "Thank you."
Very kind.
This is a full talk.
Simple and real.
Now we will practice together.
Repeat after us.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Where is the cafe?
Where is the cafe?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
You are learning fast.
Now let us show some mistakes.
This is important.
Mistake 1.
Where cafe?
Not this,
Missing words.
but this.
Where is the cafe?
Full and clear.
Good English.
Mistake 2.
What you name?
Not this,
Sounds broken.
but this.
What is your name?
Slow and clear.
Much better.
Mistake 3.
No question voice.
Not this,
Where is the bus stop?
but this.
Where is the bus stop?
Voice up at the end.
Like a question.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Now let us have a longer talk.
A real conversation.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Paul.
Where are you from?
I am from here.
When is your class?
It is in the morning.
Why are you here?
I am here to learn.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Very nice.
Very simple.
This is real English.
You can use this.
Let us repeat some key questions.
One more time.
What is your name?
Repeat.
What is your name? Where are you from?
Repeat.
Where are you from? How are you?
Repeat.
How are you? You are doing great.
Keep going.
Asking questions helps you connect.
It helps you learn.
You do not need perfect grammar.
You need courage.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
People will understand you.
Most people are kind.
Remember,
Short questions.
simple words.
Calm voice.
You can do this.
Yes, you can.
Thank you for learning with us.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing every day.
Little by little.
Your English will grow.
Step by step.
See you next time.
Goodbye for now.